Welcome to our review of the 2025 Toyota IQ, the compact city car that's redefining efficiency and innovation. In this video, we'll explore its sleek exterior, smart performance, comfortable interior, cutting-edge safety features, and of course, pricing. Let's dive in. Exterior. The 2025 Toyota IQ has a fresh, modern look, designed for urban environments. With its compact size and aerodynamic lines, it's built for maneuverability and style. The sharp LED headlights, a redesigned front grille, and sporty alloy wheels give it a bold yet practical aesthetic, perfect for navigating busy city streets with ease. Performance. Under the hood, the IQ is powered by a 1.2-liter hybrid engine, delivering impressive fuel efficiency while maintaining a smooth driving experience. With its lightweight design, it excels in tight turns and quick accelerations, making it the ideal car for city dwellers who need agility and reliability. Whether you're cruising through traffic or parking in tight spaces, the IQ's performance is both responsive and refined. Interior. Step inside the Toyota IQ and experience a surprisingly spacious interior. Despite its compact dimensions, it offers comfortable seating for four, with clever storage solutions throughout. The minimalist dashboard is equipped with a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The premium materials and ergonomic design ensure a comfortable ride for both short trips and longer commutes. Safety features. Toyota has packed the 2025 IQ with its latest safety technology. The car includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking as standard. With Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, drivers can feel confident and secure, knowing they have advanced systems working to prevent accidents and protect passengers. Pricing. Now for the important question, pricing. The base model of the 2025 Toyota IQ starts at around $22,000, with higher trims offering additional features and customization options that can bring the price up to $26,000. It's an affordable option for those looking for a reliable, eco-friendly city car. Outro. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Toyota IQ. Compact, efficient, and full of smart features, it's perfect for city driving. Let us know what you think of the IQ in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching.